PayPal just surged 25% this week, and the reason dropped yesterday. Stripe and Advent International made a joint offer to acquire PayPal for $60.50 per share. The total deal value is over $53 billion, a 28% premium to where the stock was trading. The bid is backed by approximately $50 billion in committed bank financing. Here is why this matters beyond the premium. Stripe gets PayPal's 400 million consumer accounts and Venmo. Advent gets a leveraged buyout of one of the most profitable fintech companies in the world, trading at just 9 times forward earnings. Some analysts think $60.50 is too low and that negotiations could push toward $70. PayPal's board has not yet responded. The stock is at $56.73, below the offer price. Follow StockScope Radar for daily market breakdowns. Eli Lilly just agreed to acquire Attibeckley for up to $3.8 billion, and the stock jumped 34% today. Here is the deal structure. Lilly is paying $6.75 per share in cash, plus up to $2.50 in contingent value rights tied to clinical milestones over the next 7 years. The total deal value is up to $3.8 billion. That 40% premium was based on the 30-day average price before the announcement. Attibeckley develops psychedelic-based treatments for depression, anxiety, and opioid use disorder. Its lead drug BPL-003 is in Phase 3 for treatment-resistant depression. The Trump administration has signaled openness to psychedelic therapies. Lilly is betting on that regulatory tailwind. Closing is expected in Q3 2026. Follow StockScope Radar for daily market breakdowns. CareDx just jumped 29% today, and the reason is a regulatory decision that removes the single biggest risk hanging over the company. Medicare just finalized its local coverage determination for molecular transplant testing. That means continued coverage for CareDx's AlloSure Kidney, AlloSure Heart and AlloMap Heart tests, the core of the business. The proposed policy had threatened to bundle and limit reimbursement. Today's final policy keeps the current coverage structure intact, taking effect August 30th. BTIG immediately raised its price target from $28 to $45. Craig-Hallum raised its target too. Q2 earnings are coming on July 30th. The stock is at $40.34, up 112% in the last year. The reimbursement uncertainty just got resolved. Follow StockScope Radar for daily market breakdowns. ManpowerGroup just jumped 32% today after returning to profit in Q2. Revenue came in at $4.86 billion, Wall Street expected $4.72 billion. Earnings per share was 99 cents versus a 95-cent estimate. And the company recorded a one-time gain from the sale of its Jefferson Wells unit, pushing it back into positive net income after a difficult few quarters. ManpowerGroup is the world's third-largest staffing company, operating in 75 countries. The market had beaten this stock down hard. It hit a 52-week low of $25 earlier this year. Today it is at $51.65. The Q3 guidance calls for continued revenue stabilization. 2 buy ratings, 6 holds. The stock is still below the average analyst price target of $45. Follow StockScope Radar for daily market breakdowns.